Number 1. 1994 Ford F250, price $6,800, equipped with a powerful 460 cubic inch gasoline engine and an automatic transmission. The truck has accumulated 280,000 miles and features a classic white exterior paired with a gray interior. Built as a heavy-duty pickup, it runs on gasoline and is designed to handle demanding tasks while still offering everyday comfort. All systems are in proper working condition, including the air conditioning and heater, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. It is also equipped with functioning trailer brakes, making it a solid option for towing and hauling. The electric windows and mirrors operate smoothly, adding convenience to the driving experience. Inside, the truck has been upgraded with a new Bluetooth stereo, providing modern connectivity while retaining its original character. Number 2. 1985 Ford F150, price $6,950. It is a short-bed, rear-wheel drive truck powered by a 302 cubic inch V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The vehicle has traveled 137,000 miles and has had only one owner, indicating consistent care and responsible ownership throughout its life. Finished in a clean black exterior, the truck is complemented by a striking red interior that adds character and enhances its classic appeal. The overall condition is described as very nice, making it a solid and dependable truck whether used as a daily driver, weekend cruiser, or collectible vehicle. It comes with a clean title, providing peace of mind for the next owner and making it a great opportunity for anyone looking for a vintage Ford F-150 in good condition. Number 3. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,750. It is powered by a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and a fully functional 4x4 system. The truck has 184,000 miles on the odometer and runs and drives great with no mechanical issues. Finished in a white exterior with a blue interior, the vehicle is exceptionally clean both inside and out. There are no leaks and no rust, reflecting careful ownership over the years. All features are in proper working condition, including the air conditioning and heater, as well as the power windows. The 4WD system engages and operates as it should. The truck is equipped with a brand new set of tires and rims, enhancing both its appearance and road performance. It comes with a clean title and is ready for use as a dependable daily driver or capable work truck. Number 4. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,400. Dependable full-size pickup truck that has traveled 212,000 miles. It comes equipped with a robust 5.7L V8 engine and a four-wheel drive system, paired with an automatic transmission, making it capable of handling both daily driving and more demanding off-road conditions. The truck's exterior is finished in classic white, while the interior features comfortable blue leather seating, providing a touch of style and durability. Additional practical features include a hard bed cover for secure cargo storage and a towing package that enhances its utility for hauling trailers or heavy loads. Designed for those who value both performance and functionality, this truck has been maintained for reliability over the years. Buyers should note that it carries a salvage title. Number 5. 1999 Ford F150, price $4,995, with 267,000 miles on the odometer, showcases a combination of durability and practicality that Ford trucks are known for. This supercab model features an automatic transmission, Oxford white exterior, and gray interior, all coming together to create a rugged yet classic appearance. Powered by a robust 4.6L V8 gasoline engine and equipped with 4WD, it offers reliable performance for both demanding terrains and everyday city driving. The exterior's solid build reflects its ability to handle tough conditions, while the supercab configuration provides extra space for passengers or cargo, enhancing its versatility. Inside, the gray upholstery balances comfort with functionality, providing a cabin that is intuitive and accommodating for the driver and passengers alike. Number 6. 1997 GMC Sierra 1500, price $8,500. It comes with an automatic transmission and a classic red exterior paired with a matching red interior, running on gasoline. This truck runs and drives great, having never let its owner down or left them stranded. The transmission shifts smoothly, and the 4x4 system works perfectly, making it capable for various driving conditions. Both the air conditioning and heating systems function well, keeping the cabin comfortable. Cosmetically, the truck shows minimal rust on both the body and frame, though it does carry a few dings and scratches, a testament to its 90s origins and a past encounter with hail. There are some minor issues. The ABS is not currently working, the windshield wipers occasionally fail, and it leaks a small amount of oil. Number 7. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,950, sturdy and dependable 4x4 pickup, featuring a regular cab and a short bed. Powered by a 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, it has covered 189,500 miles and comes with a clean title. The truck's exterior is finished in a classic gray, while the interior is a comfortable blue, offering a timeless appearance. This Chevrolet 1500 has been well maintained, with new tires recently installed to ensure reliable performance. Its robust 4x4 system, durable V8 engine, and smooth shifting automatic transmission make it ideal for both work and recreational use. The overall condition of the truck, including its solid body and fully functional components, adds to its value, making it a practical and versatile choice for anyone in need of a dependable pickup. Number 8. 1999 Chevrolet 1500, price $3,500. Reliable pickup truck that has traveled 258,000 miles. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck features a striking red exterior paired with a gray interior, giving it a bold yet classic appearance. Under the hood, it is powered by a strong 5.3L V8 engine, complemented by a cold air intake and a Flowmaster exhaust system for enhanced performance and sound. Additional upgrades include HID headlights, smoke taillights, and a Kenwood stereo with Bluetooth connectivity for a modern touch. This Chevrolet 1500 passes smog inspections and comes with a clean title, making it both a functional and desirable vehicle for enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. Number 9. 1990 Ford F250, price $5,750, classic workhorse with a red exterior and matching red interior. This truck has traveled just 96,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a powerful V8 460 engine, and a 4x4 drivetrain, making it capable for both heavy-duty tasks and off-road adventures. Although it has never been garaged and the exterior shows its age, the truck runs very well mechanically. Over the past 15 years, it has been relied upon for dump runs, furniture pickups, and general yard work errands. There are a few minor to moderate mechanical and electrical issues that need attention, but none of them affect its drivability. Overall, it remains a dependable and robust vehicle with less than 100,000 miles on the odometer. Number 10. 1995 Ford Ranger, price $3,150. This model comes with a 3.0-liter engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a rear-wheel drive system, offering smooth and dependable performance. With 144,000 miles on the odometer, it has been well cared for and continues to run and drive without any issues. The truck features a long bed and an extended cab, providing ample cargo space and extra room for passengers, making it versatile for hauling equipment, tools, or recreational gear. Its exterior is finished in a classic green, perfectly complemented by a warm brown interior, creating a timeless and rugged aesthetic. For comfort in any season, it is equipped with cold air conditioning and a powerful heating system.